Hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia Education. I am Jitendra Tyagi. So as all of you know, GATE paper in data science. So many students have interest in this paper, and this is really very good paper. Okay. So in this paper, in the syllabus, we have Python language also, Python programming. So in Python, we have started some series of different concepts. So we have earlier uploaded some lectures on string. Okay, some concept of string. So their last topic taught by sir was indexing. Okay, indexing in strings. Okay, and that was positive indexing in strings. Okay, so in continuation to that, our next topic we can discuss is negative indexing. Okay, so what is this negative indexing in string? Okay, so let us try to understand. So suppose we have a equal to so this is a string, this is a string. Okay, so indexing, if we start from left side, it starts from 0. Character has index 0, 0, and this has 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then okay. So this is the positive indexing. Okay, from left to right. And what is this negative indexing? So in negative indexing, we start from the right side. Okay, negative, so indexing, and this is also very important sometime. So in negative indexing, what we do, we start from the right side. So this is -1. Okay, it does not start from 0, it starts from -1. Okay, then -2, then -3, then -4, then -5, then -6. Okay, so suppose using negative indexing, we want to print out this D character. Okay, so we can write print, then A, and then square bracket, and within that the negative index -4. Okay, so if we will run this code, what we will get? We will get this D character. Okay, so we can get any character using the negative indexing. Similarly, if we write print A and then -2, okay, so what character we can get here? -2 means this one. Okay, so A. So on running this code, we will get character A as printed. Okay, A will be printed, and here D will be printed. Okay, so this is the concept of negative indexing. Now in string, there are many important concepts and many different operations which can be applied on the strings. Okay, so one of them is, very important, that is concatenation of strings. Concatenation. Okay, we have concatenation of strings. So what is that? Concatenation of string. Okay, strings. So if we have string and another string, okay, we have two strings actually, and we use a plus sign here actually. Okay, so now this is not a addition operator, this is not arithmetic addition operator now. Okay, so this is concatenation operator now. Okay, this is used for concatenation of two strings, right? So how does it happen? Suppose we have string I. Okay, B is equal to another string, say, okay, and C is another string, say, and D is suppose another string. Okay, so we have assigned 4 variables A, B, C, D, different strings. Variable A has been assigned string this, variable B has been assigned a string this. Okay, now if we want to print this, print A plus B plus C plus D. Okay, so here we are using the plus operator between the string. So what happened? Okay, on running this code, what happened? You will get this. Okay, so I, then LOVE, my country. So this is what? Concatenation of strings. Okay, and all these characters will come together. Okay, there will not be any space. So you can concatenate different strings in this manner using this plus operator. Okay, so I hope you have understood the meaning of concatenation operator and what happens if we concatenate 2 or more strings. Okay, now suppose you want to create some space. Okay, you want to have some space between the different words or different strings. Okay, so what you can do, you can create a space here when you will write here this a equal to this, so have some gap here. Okay, create some space here. Similarly, create some space here, create some space here, create some space here. Okay, so then if you will print, then it will come I and then L, love and then my and then country, having the space, white space. Okay, and another approach is that you can also do one thing. Suppose I write here print a. Okay, this is our a operator. Okay, a variable. Okay, then plus, now I make one string having some space here. I give some space between the quotation marks here, so this is some space here. Okay, and then plus, then b, then again plus, again I am giving some space here, then plus c. Okay, and then plus I am again giving some space here. Okay, and then plus d. So if we will print this, we will get some white space between the different words. Okay, so in this manner we can add different words using this concatenation concept. Got it? Now after understanding this concatenation concept, and you can do this coding in your IDE, you can use any, even you can use Google Colab or Jupyter or Thony, there are many IDEs to run the Python codes, so anyone you can use. Okay, now come to next concept that is also important in case of string. So please run these codes and verify. And now one more concept is replication. You know, in strings we have a replication. So what is this replication? So replication occurs when we have a string and we use this asterisk mark and then a number. We write an integer here. Suppose we write this thing. Okay, so now this is replication. Actually, this operator here is not working as a multiplication operator. Okay, if we have two numbers, two floats, or one float and one integer or two integers, then it works as a multiplication operator. But right now it is not working as a multiplication operator. Okay, so what is this role of this asterisk symbol here? The meaning of this symbol here is replication. Okay, so what is this replication? What it will give to us? So suppose I write print. Okay, so here I write a string RAJA. So this is a string. Okay, and then this number and then 5. Suppose I write this. Okay, so a string and then asterisk and then 5. Okay, so now this is replication operator. So if on running this code, what will happen? We will get this RAJA Raja 5 times. Okay, so 2 times, then 3 times, then 4 times. Okay, so 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So this will be printed in this manner. So this string is printed 5 times in sequence. This is replication operator. Okay, now in this replication operator you can do this coding. Okay, you can write a code and then you can try to run this. You can write your name and then start, then 10. So it will be printed 10 times. Okay, so this is replication operator. Now one important point about replication operator is that replication operator is commutative. Okay, this is commutative. So it means you can write number 5 first and then string later, no problem. Same thing will happen. Okay, if you write 5 star this string Raja, okay, then also on running the code we will get this output. So this is commutative operator actually. Got it? Now what is other important concept that is related to a string we can discuss here. Suppose any string having different characters in which some are small case letters, some are uppercase letters. Okay, and we want that string to have all uppercase letters, right? So what we can do? We can write a code here. So for that, to convert all the characters, all the letters in uppercase, we have upper function. Okay, upper function. Okay, this is upper function used to change all the letters into uppercase. Okay, so how we can use this? Suppose we have any string. Okay, suppose we have a equal to a double p l e apple b a n a. Suppose we have this string. Okay, now here we have a combination of different uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and we want to print these all letters in uppercase. Okay, so what we can do? We can simply write print. We can print Okay, so A, this string, A is string, okay, so dot upper, and then this bracket open, and then. So if you will run this code on printing this code, what will happen? What will you get? So on running you will get A P P L E B A N A N A. Okay, so this is the use of upper, and similarly we have lower. Okay, we can convert all the letters into lower case also. So for lower case, what is the operator, what is the function we have? That is the lower function. Okay, so we use that lower function. This is the function to convert all the characters in a string into lower case letters. Okay, all the letters are converted into lower case letters. Okay, so we can use this here also. Print, suppose I write A equal to this. Okay, so then I print A dot lower. Okay, so this will give us all small letters. Okay, so A double P L E B A N A N A, this will be printed. So these are two important operators which you should know. Okay, how to convert into uppercase or into lowercase letters. So please revise all the important concepts related to string. Okay, and next video we will come with some another use of string, and then list, and then tuple, all many things we will discuss. Okay, so please prepare for this exam very seriously, and Python is really very interesting language. You need to remember some concept, and some codes you need to remember, and most of the work is to think and apply. Okay, so that can be easily done. And then in data structure algorithm also you need to use Python now for your GATE examination in data science. So you have to prepare Python accordingly. Okay, all the best.